Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable wake screen for notification in Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Now go to your account, present settings. Click on notifications. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of wake screen. If you want to enable this, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to wake screen for notification in Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.